Hello and welcome to today's video where we are looking at a lazy method for making money online and from home. And I'm not talking about these videos you may have seen on YouTube, where someone said it's just 2 clicks and I earn $100 a day. Nonsense, it really is. Instead, I'm going to share with you a proven method for making money online, which genuinely is lazy because we're using softwares to speed this whole process up. I'm also going to share with you the huge demand for this, and then I'll walk you through the process from start to finish. And once you see just how simple this method is, you will understand exactly why we do call this a lazy way. I'll also share with you, the normal way, whereby, it can take a bit of time and effort, but it's without a doubt, it's incredibly lazy. And long-time viewers of this channel will know I like things which speed up the whole process. And this, what we're looking at today, it's awesome. It genuinely is. So look, we will dive into the laptop. If you have any questions, please comment down below. If you like the video, give it a like. If you don't, I'd really appreciate either way, whether you interact with this. But yeah, let's dive in and I'll literally go over this whole process step by step. Hello and welcome to today's video. So we are looking at what is without doubt one of the easy methods or lazy methods for making money online and from home. And basically I'm going to share with you 3 tools, and I'm also going to share with you different resources that you can use to get this whole method up and running today, because it genuinely is a lazy method once this is all up and running. It's the same as I always say to you, in the beginning it will take a bit of time and effort, and if you put time and effort in at the beginning, it can reward you hugely later on down the line, whether that's weeks, months or years. It just purely comes down to how much time and effort you're going to put into this. So today we are going to go over to, let's go over to this website of I've got a lot of tabs open. This one over here. Okay, so I'm on Etsy. Now look, I've just typed in the word, you can see up here, certificate prints. Now would you have believed this? Comment down below. Would you believe 5,400 people a month are searching for certificate prints? It's ridiculous, isn't it? Now I'm going to press the space bar and we're going to see if anything else comes up for this keyword. So nothing, I don't know why that's not working. Let's have a look. Certificate prints. Certificate printable. 2,900 people a month are searching for that keyword. This one, and this one. Okay. And by the way, this is just one example I'm going to share with you today. So we can see here, we've got 5,400 people a month searching for that keyword. And obviously they are creating a certificate that can be printed out at home. Now let's have a look at some numbers and the potential with this method, okay? So we are going to find someone. So let's just scroll down and let's find someone, relatively new-ish. So this one here, certificate of completion. So this down here is 76. That means I've had 76 people leave feedback in their shop, okay? So let's just click on this and have a look at this. Because as I've mentioned, this is one method, and when I share this software with you, you'll be blown away by it. You genuinely will. So this shop, 659 sales. This is a certificate. As you can see here, this is the certificate that you get. £3.17. Let's go ahead and have a look inside of their shop, and we'll see, what else are they selling on here. So look, here we go. We have got baby shower games. We have also got birthday games, banners and signs, tables, adult birthday, and lots more. And here's the thing, right? So look at the certificate. Does that look drastically different from that one to that one to that one? It doesn't, does it? All they're doing is changing some of the colours and the format. If we scroll further on the page here, again we've got another one here. Look, what is that? I don't even know what that is. A DIY business card. Is that different from that one? No, they've just changed some colours around, okay? So that's one example for you, but you can see they've got a hell of a lot of sales, haven't they? 659 sales. And it doesn't matter, whichever one of these you're going to. Look, what is this? The World's Best Son Certificate Gift, okay? 174 feedback. And look, there's lots of examples of this. Whether we are going with certificate prints or other things, I'll share with you the normal method, what people would do for this. Then I'll share with you the lazy method, okay? So the normal method for this process is you would come over to a platform like Canva over here, and you would create that print or that digital download file using this software over here. It's absolutely free, okay? So if we was just to type in up here, certificate, there we go, certificate. Look, we've got all these: completion, appreciation, and more. But if I just click on certificate, this is what you'd need to do. You'd need to go in and find one. You'd need to play around with this. You'd need to edit this and then obviously download it and other stuff. But you can see on here we have got 13,000 templates for the wedge certificate. Now, this is just one method. Now, for me, I am lazy like many of you know, so I like to speed things up. So what do? If I wanted to create a lot of these different certificates or other options, how do I do this? Well, I use this over here. It's called Crispy Prints. Now let me go back to the home page so you can see this. So let's just go over here and let's go to start here. Now the reason why I use this software and recommend it is the guy who's created this software is a guy over here. It's called Ike. He's been earning money online with printables for many years, and basically this is a 2-in-1 combo. So what do I mean? So we have training videos here. So he walks through everything to how to, find your niche, how to start listing items on Etsy, mock-ups, and lots more. Okay, so this training, very good. But here's the cool thing. If I come over here and click on here, look at this. We have got baby shower bundles. We have got a couples bundle. We have got a busy book bundle, certificate prints, Bible bundle. All of these different bundles here, whereby a few little simple clicks and you have all of these templates done and you can upload them. The other thing as well why I like it is if I come up to here, new printable schedule, is always adding in additional things. So look what we've got coming here. Wine label prints, that's coming in mid to late October. Then we've got math activities, we've got productivity prints and gift tag prints. It's awesome. In fact, let me take this. Wine label prints. I would have never thought that was a thing. Let's have a look over on Etsy. Is that a thing? Wine label print. I'm guessing so, because I don't add anything in here that's not, in demand. So yeah, look at this. 1,300 people a month are searching for wine label prints, and that's going to be coming inside of the software very soon. Crazy, isn't it? 1,300 people a month are searching for wine label prints. Okay, so let me show you how awesome this is and how lazy it really is. So if I come over here, we'll go in here, okay? Now, I'm not going to go through all of the training with you. I just want to show you the software and just how quick and, lazy this really is. So if I come over here, I'm wanting to create a product, okay? So it's just literally a couple of steps and you are done. So let's say if we wanted to go ahead and create some certificate prints as an example, okay? What happens here is, look, you scroll down. At this moment in time, he's got 4 different certificates in here. Now, we can see it's literally a couple of steps. Step 1 is you add the image into here, and then you select your prints. Now, you see here, it says, grab this background template. So all you need to do here is I click on here, and I click on there, and it will download that template there for me. So you can see, this is the certificate, okay? So what I need to do here is I just click on here. In fact, let me see if I can move my head. Come over here and do that. Right, that bottom bit has gone. So this here is my template, okay? So I am just going to click on, why is it not doing that for me? I've got my template here and I just want to download it. So I'm going to right click, there we go, save image as. And I'm just going to click on download. Okay, now I click on save. So now I then go back over here. So I've downloaded this template over here. Now you see over here it says 163 by 175. This is the design of how big this is actually going to look. So what I need to do is I need to go over into Canva really quickly. So let's come over back into Canva, if I can find it, over here. I'm going to click on new design and I'm going to put those measurements in here where it says custom size. So it was here. You can see 1063 by 1375. I've now got my template, okay? So the next thing, what I need to do is, let me get rid of that. All I'm going to do is go to Uploads, and I'm going to click on Upload a File, and I'm going to click on the Download. Not this one. Did I save it on my desktop? Let's scroll down here and find it. Download, there it is. And then I'm going to download this over here. And basically, all I'm doing here is I'm using this as a guide. So, that there is how it would look. Now, if we want to create a background for this, or perhaps we're going with a different theme, we would want this on the background, and we're just using this as a template. So if I come over to Elements now, and let's say I wanted something, like a unicorn theme. I've just gone here and type in unicorn, like this, unicorn. It's going to bring up all of these different unicorns. So like this here, So now all I'm going to do with this is I'm going to take this and cover the entire document like so, and then I'm going to click on position and I'm going to send that backwards. So now we can kind of see how this would look, okay? And if you wanted to add in other elements, so like these different unicorns and put them on here, you can do. I mean, Canva is awesome. It's really simple, and all I'm going to do is, so like say if I wanted this one, for example, like so, I just make it like this, and you can put it wherever you want. So if you wanted it there in the middle sort of thing, I am going to put that there, okay? Okay, so once you're happy with this and you finish playing around with this, we need to remove this template here. So I'm going to click on there and I'm going to remove that. So I'm going to click on delete, and then we've just got this over here. So now I'm going to come up here to where it says share, and I'm going to download this as a PNG. Okay, so this is our size, we want it as a PNG. We're going to click on download. Now it's going to download this for us, and you can see the PNG image is downloaded over here. So next we just go back over here into Crispy Prints. We'll go back over here to certificate prints, and then all I'm going to do with that is I'm going to come in here. Now I upload that, so I'm just going to drag that over here into here like so, and it literally takes a second to load that into here, and you can see it's already done that for us. So then you just decide which certificates you want. So you can select all and sell them as a bundle, or you can just do one. So I'm just going to click on certificate, this one here, the completion one, just so I can show you how quick it works. Then it says don't close this tab, we need to create it for you basically, and it normally takes 30 seconds to a minute for this to happen. But let's go ahead and go back over here onto Etsy, and you can see I've just typed in the word unicorn certificate, and we have 70 people a month searching for that. But look at that there now, as you can see, that's the pop-up, by the way, from Crispy Prints. We can see, I mean, I've missed out with that unicorn there, but that there is how it looks. It looks pretty good, doesn't it? It looks nice, it looks great for this. Now if I go back on here and scroll through, we can see people are selling these. Look, printable unicorn certificate. This one over here, adopt a unicorn. This one, this one, this one, all of these. So guess what? With this software over here, I can create these, as you've just seen, incredibly quickly. And then, because I've actually just got that template that I've just created, I could then go and make another bundle. So if I wanted something else, let's just come over here, and let's say we wanted to go to a baby shower bundle. I can come in here and I can have a look. So what have they got here? They have got a word search. They've got all of these different bundles here. So again, I can start creating all of these different bundles. So again, I'm going to upload this image just as an example for you, and then I'm going to pick on one of these. Okay, so let's just go with word search as an example, and we're going to click on create a bundle. And then again, same concept, don't touch it, it will just run automatically for you. Once it's done, it will pop up. But if I come back over here now, so you can see that with certificates, if I then type in baby shower games unicorn and hit on enter, let's have a look at this. So we have got, so there's our baby shower bundle, that's been done. Look, we can see it's got all of that on there done for us. If I come back over here, let's scroll down. Look, we've got people doing, look, unicorn baby shower games, instant download, £8.54. I mean, that seller's had 5,000 feedback. This one over here, look, baby shower, 8,000, £6.72. It's just awesome, this software. It genuinely is a lazy method for making money online, because once you've got your background, in this example, this unicorn theme here, you can then go ahead and put it on baby shower games, you can put it on certificates, you can put it onto any one of these. You can see we've got Halloween bundles, Christmas, kids masks, 3D prints. What else? Dice, flags, Empower, but I don't know what that one is. Stall banners, baby banners, sticky prints. There's so much stuff in here, and it genuinely is just a couple of clicks and you're done. So look, I will drop a link to this article down below for you. Is it this one? No, it's this one over here. I'll drop a link to this. You can go ahead and have a look at this, and I share with you, different examples of this, different things it can also create inside of here for you. It's absolutely awesome. It really is. If you're looking for what is essentially a lazy way to make money online, I don't think you're going to find many better options than this. Over here, you can see, look, learn how this simple bumblebee print made over £3,000 in passive income from creating that. All done using the Crispy Print software. So look, I'll drop a link to this article below for you. There's also another review video in here where I show you a bit more inside of the software. But overall, I don't think you can go far too wrong with using a software like this to make money online and from home. And the other thing as well is this is just one software. There are many more softwares available for, creating these different printables for you really quick. I've done an article over here and I update it. Look, the best softwares for making printables. So Crispy Prints, without a doubt, it's the best one in the marketplace. It works really quick. It's got a complete training solution for you. But then you can see on here we have other options. So if you want to create kids puzzle books, there's a software for that. There's Puzzle Book Mastery. There's Kids Math Printables, colouring books, and lots more. You can see all inside of this article over here. It shares with you examples of this and other bits. But as we've seen over on Etsy, there is a huge demand for, all of these different types of things. Even if I was just to go with baby shower games, hit on there, like so, we can see 165,000 people a month are searching for baby shower games. So you can make this, you can make this as niche down as you like. You could go into, different themes, different characters, all sorts of things. But we can see, look, baby shower games for a girl. We've got printables, we've got pumpkin, all of these different things here. These are searches what people are making on Etsy. And this software over here, this Crispy Prints, this one over here, it just makes everything so simple and easy. So look, I'll drop links to both of those articles below. If you've got any questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.